Hello, welcome back. This video is going to be a really quick video. It's a follow-up to the previous video that goes into query strings and introduction to them and the fundamentals you need to know when building them. And this video really highlights on how to pass multiple values in a query string to a different website or another survey. It's really simple and straightforward. The one thing you're going to have to keep in mind when building out query strings that pass multiple values are the symbols you use when adding on those additional values. Now, getting started here, to set up your query string in a quick recap, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do something like this. So when you're building out your query string, you're going to want to have these three main components. The first component is the link. That's going to be your destination link. The name of the embedded data field you're going to pass to the other location in here. And then finally, the value of that embedded data field you're going to pass to that second location. In this situation, I'm only passing one value since there's only one embedded data field after this question mark, which starts the beginning of the data that's going to be passed to that second location. If I want to add additional values to this, I'm going to want to do two things. The first thing I'm going to want to do is set up embedded data values in my survey flow that capture this data accordingly. So for example, in this case, since the questions I'm asking are what's my name, favorite color, and favorite country, I'm going to add these embedded data fields accordingly. I'm going to do name, color, then country, and then color in there, country in there. Then pipe that in from here. Gotta make sure I piped in the right thing. Perfect, and then same thing with country. Amazing. So all that's set, I'm good to go there. Then, what I'm going to want to do here within the link itself is use this ampersand to add additional values to this link and additional embedded data values so I can pass it to that second location. So in this case, I'd want color equals, just like the same way I set it up in here. So color equals this pipe text value for color. And then another ampersand for this new embedded data value. And then country equals this pipe text value for country. And then now, when it's going to this next survey, it'll grab the value for name, color, and country, and then fill it in appropriately into the next survey. So I have that all set there. Going to change that redirect link. Remove this guy. Republish this. Perfect. And then in my second survey, I'm going to want to make sure that I have the embedded data values in place for color and country to capture this data and then assign it accordingly within that survey to update things in whatever experience they want to dynamically change based on that data. So once I head to the second survey, this destination survey, I'm going to add a question for country and then a question for color. So is your favorite color So now I'm going to add these embedded data values in here first. So just like before in the previous video, they're going to capture it from that query string, set it in here, and then now I can go into the survey builder and then pipe it in from there. So then, is your name this? Is your favorite color this? And then is your favorite country this? Then just like we had with name in the previous video, it should pull in my name, my favorite color, and then my favorite country. Now I'm going to republish that, and then we can give this a quick test to make sure it works as expected. So I'm going to grab that anonymous link. And we're going to open up an incognito window and then give that a test. So I'm going to type in my name, favorite color, orange, my favorite country. Let's go with Iceland. And now when I get redirected to the next page, it should prompt me with those 3 questions that verify my name, my favorite color, and my favorite country. Let's see if it does this. And it does, exactly as we expected. So once again, to recap, the way in which you set up a query string that pulls in and sends multiple data values to a different website is with this ampersand right here in the link. So after the question mark, you're going to set that first value, and with an ampersand, you'll add on any additional values you want to pass. And just like before with the regular query string, once you add that in a redirect link, then when somebody goes to that other link, as long as the embedded data values are set there to capture whatever values you're sending, then it will pull in, adjust the survey experience accordingly, and then you'll be good to go. Hope that clarifies things. If you guys have any additional questions or concerns or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. Always happy to clarify anything or go over anything further in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Take care.